Alright, what is up, guys? Back with another video. And that was just my speaker, turn it off. So yeah, the problem here is I'm upset at myself and I'm upset at you guys, but I don't know why. I'm upset at myself because I haven't posted a video in days. But I thought to myself, I think I'm going to post every Sunday and Saturday. Both of those days I'm gonna post, cause I'm gonna wake up and might vlog the whole day. Oh yeah, ask me if you comment below in the comment section, or tweet at me on Twitter. Do it. Epic Lime Food with the FU at the end. And yeah, I've been just like chill, but I was mad at y'all because you guys didn't tell me when to like vlog. Y'all should tell me or give me days like when should I vlog and all that. And you guys just sat there and did nothing because I haven't done nothing. So tell me when I vlog. I'm thinking Saturday and Sunday, but if you guys pick on the weekend, I'm not gonna accept it. I'm not gonna accept it because I have school on the weekend, so I'm gonna do Saturday and Sunday. So start off with Saturday. And then look this dirt block. Damn. Oh, what the heck? I didn't know there was a candle. Ah! Yay! Freak! Yay! Hang on, but chunks of it. I love reality. I'm on my man. So you can chill right now because absolutely I have nothing to do. And in the comment below, tell me if you guys like long vlogs or like short vlogs or just unedited vlogs. Well, I'm gonna edit the vlogs, but like, you know what I mean, like not cut, just like straight through, nothing cut. Cause I can make the vlog through the whole day until nighttime. So if we can, I'm gonna get a Samsung phone so I can pause the video at whatever time. So right now, I'm right here with the water bottle, the messed up water bottle. Look at that. You see that water bottle was messed up. Look at the sides. Focus. Wait for it to focus. Wait for it to focus. Focus. There you go. It focus. Look at that. Look at all that. Dang. That's crazy. Now look at the side of this stuff. But that's crazy. Because look. But the cap it here, cap. Here the bottle. Behind the camera. That is landed. That is land, bro. Oh yeah, did I ever tell you that? I'm not sure. I think I forgot. Should I make my vlogs longer or shorter? Or should I just like make vlogs depending on me? Cause I'm not really curious. Like eventually I'm gonna make a channel where I just do vlogs and not edit. None of the videos, just for fun. But this is my channel, I gotta edit, but I'm probably gonna edit this in the morning. Not even in the morning because I got school in the morning, so yeah. That's why I said I can only do it on Saturday and Sunday, so I made the vlog Sunday. So I might just make a vlog every Sunday. I mean, I could do it on the weekend, but I need to do my homework and then we're gonna end up going somewhere each day. We're gonna end up stopping that family house or something. Right, in the comments below, are y'all adopted? Because ouch. Because I am not adopted. Well, at least I know that. I think that I might be adopted. You know, I mean, I'm not really, curious, but I think I am adopted because, yeah, one thing, I don't even know if this is still for sale, but it's called that. I don't even know if that's it. Can't see that focus, okay. Dang, y'all see that? Yeah. Tell me in the comment below, who are these cuss words? I'm gonna blur out like some cuss words I'll say, but I don't really say cuss words because it's stupid to me. But once I get older, I'm gonna use cuss words. But I'm not just young. I just sometimes, because I don't want to get banned from YouTube. I only cuss sometimes. Like, oh my gosh, oh my god. Until that, comment below in the section. I mean, in the comment section. Tell me, what y'all all do for, like, what'd you do? Did you do anything with what'd you do over the weekend? Do anything with your family? Play the game, went over your cousin's house, did anything, went out of town, moved somewhere else. What'd you do? Ouch. I just hit my finger on that. It was like, it feels like it. It feels like good. Yeah. I'm bored now. We're gonna find something to do next video. So, this bro is like the first ever. No, it's like the first ever. Oh no, I take that back. It's the first ever time I made a video like wanting to put 10 minutes on it. So it's gonna be a 10-minute video. I'm about to walk around, but I'm about to go nigga knocking too. Yay! And you guys, I'm gonna hit Busters. So I'm gonna go nigga knocking. Okay. Cause I'm gonna run that way. I think they got me. Yo, that was scary. I heard something. I thought. I didn't nobody. No. But was a good way to end the vlog, guys. So this is 10-minute mark. So we're going to end the vlog here. That was a scary way to get away. No, we live right there too. So we gotta be careful. Alright, peace, guys.